Maritime DG compliance requires more than just transport. From general awareness to proper packing and IMDG code compliance, make sure your team is trained. From origin to port, extreme temperatures, improper stowage, and chemical incompatibility can lead to catastrophic failures. They require complete IMDG compliance, proper classification, packing, marking, and segregation. But what happens when it reaches the sea? Enter the IMDG code. Never mix incompatible cargo. Proper IMDG segregation keeps reactive goods safely separated. Documentation requirement checklist. Train your team for safer maritime operations. Enroll in Elite Offshore's IMDG code courses today.